The spiral snake is an unbelievable toy. You will need some wire, beads, pencil, colored straws and a scissors. Wind 50 centimeters long wire on a round pencil to make a spiral spring. Bring the spring closer and remove it from the pencil. Pull the ends of the spring to make a long spiral. Then weave small color straw pieces in the spiral. First put the red pieces, then the blue, green and the yellows. In the end, take a plastic bead and fix it on one end. The bead will prevent the straw pieces from falling. Similarly, fix another bead on the other end. Now hold the toy vertically and you will see the straw pieces falling down just like liquid crystals. The spiral snake is just a joy to behold.